Peace everybody, welcome to the PhilosoCypher episode 2. Today we'll be discussing the Interval Cypher Training method. So let's get into it. Alright, the Interval Cypher Training is a combination of interval training and breaking. So we're putting it into the context of the cipher and usually the nature of the cipher. So if we train in this manner of multiple intervals, multiple throwdowns, we're able to build our confidence. So once we do get to a circle, we are able to hang in there and be able to be competitive. Practicing this manner really simulates a call out or a battle situation where you have been called out. This is especially good for working your anaerobic system. So it's those short bursts where we're using, we're not relying really on oxygen during the throwdown, and then we're trying to recover between the anaerobic bout. I personally use this way of training to measure where I'm at with my fitness level, and also I use it to be able to recall really quickly, especially when I'm becoming fatigued, being able to dig into my arsenal without even thinking about it twice. Right here, I'm doing 30 seconds of a throwdown. I've got a countdown timer on, and then I'm taking 30 seconds of passive recovery, and I'm trying to focus on my breathing. For these bouts, I try and keep the intensity high, and also I try to keep the quality as high as I can. I'm doing multiple rounds, so in this training session I was feeling pretty good. It was the end of the week, and I did 15 rounds in a row, meaning 30 seconds with a throwdown and then a 30-second recovery. I would do this probably more often if I'm leading up to a jam or I'm planning a call out. On this particular day, I was injured in the left hand, so I wasn't able to place the left hand down, which meant I kept it on top. But if we are training and trying to simulate a cipher, I would go for full throwdowns, what I like to call all-in-one throwdowns, from the top all the way through all the elements of breaking into the finish. When the opportunity presents itself and you're in a circle situation, you're going to know exactly what to do with the right intensity, right quality. Okay, that is the Interval Cypher Training method. I hope you enjoyed it. Implement it into your training, play around with it, flip it, and definitely make it yours. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.